We're on harness removal today. It's time to do that COP swap. Yep, almost done taking this wiring out. I think that's it. Probably could pull it through. Let me see. Pull it through. Take some shit apart. Hold up. They weren't lying when they said it was easy to take this shit out. This shit was easy as fuck. Yes, that's the whole line. Hey. So much time. Now it's time to lift this thing up in the sky, take that drive trans out, and that trans mount. Only bad thing about that is one of the tires is flat and his car is low as fuck. Jack damage. That was a fucking fail. Man, look at this shit. A nice sunny day. The wire's done. Just trying to find some wires and shit to do this COP swap. And then I'll be back. I don't really see nothing really else to take a loose. Oh yeah, this motor is for sure. It only has a gasket blind, but still is run, has all this power somewhat. Motor is for sale, 2001 GT, 190 miles. Like and subscribe. That's all I was doing for today. Once I get this car jacked up and all that, I'll start back. I'll give y'all another video. But until then, it's hot as fuck. Just like that, the wine harness is out. Now all I gotta do is the drive trans and the trans mount. And then it's snatch out down. Only thing is, one tire's flat, and this car is low as hell to the ground. I don't know how the fuck I'm about to do this, but I am. This is where I attempted and failed miserably. When I say this motherfucker came off and I thought the whole car is about to blow up on this one side, bro. The whole side of this car fell off. So yeah, once I figure this out, I'm trying to get this car jacked up with these other stuff. Put on these jack stands under there. I'll be back. Please like and subscribe.